Yeah. Just so you know, it's going incredibly well.
Kill him, boys.
For Julie. Well, good morning. Whew, I'm sweating. I brought in, oh, what do we got here? We got about 12, 24, 25, 28 snow goose decoys and one bag of dive bomb silhouettes, Canada goose decoys. We're in a snow goose field this morning. Yeah, spring conservation snow goose season. The field is wet, so I had to drag everything in here on a sled that's not really a sled. Anyway, I got about half an hour till shooting light. There's a lot of snow geese in here last night and a lot of dark geese, specks and Canadas. So we're gonna set up a little mixed spread, just myself, and see what we can do. We actually got a perfect wind. I almost gave up getting in here. That was a hard pull with that non-sled of mine. But no, I had to persevere and try it out. I'm excited. First spring snow goose hunt for me ever. Don't have very much for decoys this morning, but hey, you don't know unless you try. Just tuck this back in here. This might be the first time ever I don't do anything with my blind. I mean, she looks pretty good. I haven't used these decoys since, I don't know, 2021. They look like swans, but they're snow goose shells. And I've got 1 dozen. Oh yeah. Alright, I think I'm going to start the spread with these silhouettes, Canada silhouettes. Start out, I don't know, 60 yards out there. Make some patchy groups, work it back to the blind, and then mix in some snow goose decoys after that. Have a nice pocket right straight out in front. And yeah, these some sort of jay or clump with a hole in the middle. See what these Juby snows do to us. One thing, the ground is nice and soft in the spring. You just stick these things in real easy. Cover the blind up a little bit with decoys. You know what? A kid can dream. I brought more ammo today than I ever have on any particular hunt before. I brought 3 boxes of ammo. That's ridiculous, but like I said, a kid can dream. Snow goose. I gotta be careful because I can't really see too well. It is well into shooting light here, but definitely had some geese right above me I could pop. They're so mixed in, the snows and the specks there. I was pretty sure I was looking at snows right above me at like 20 yards, but I didn't pull the trigger. Yeah, no, we're all loaded up here. Got the old trusty out, Frankie Affinity. Here comes some geese. Let's see what these are. Specks. Well, that's kind of nice. I do like that. I'm gonna have to keep you posted on that one. That sunrise is gonna be spectacular in about 2 minutes. Get away, mosquito. Here's a single. Oh, let's go, baby. We shot ourselves a spring snow goose. Here comes another one. Here comes the pair. Oh, look at these speckle bellies. So pretty. Oh yeah, I hit my third. Oh yeah, I hit my third. Crippled, but going down. Get down, get down, get down. Oh, come on, smash. Oh, she's still pretty healthy. Well, I do believe I hit 2, and my third one is injured. Dude, those 2 specks finished so perfect. Well, did I pick out an adult? Oh, yes, I sure did. What a beauty. Well, we've got 3 stunners so far. 3 nice adult snows. Get in the blind. Get in the game blind. Two specks. Yeah, look at that shot. Headshot on that last one. Boom, and that one by the trees. 3 more, baby. 1, 2, and 3 by the trees. Whoa! They're definitely just flaring off me, but that's all right. They keep coming over me. I gotta keep shooting them. Man, I wish they would do it like the speck. Specks are just giving her. Come on, finish. Snow's out front. Ooh. Oh, I love it. 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 That's awesome. They're really not loving what I'm putting down here, but maybe what I'll do, I'll take this decoy, put it right on top of my blind. Bait bag right here. See if we can make a difference. Not quite. Wow. Definitely some shootable ones. Ouch. Sorry, lady, that must have hurt. Boy, the specks are doing it dirty today. Specks are just all over us. This was their field before it was the Snow's field, though. There's a lot of specks in here. Here we go, Snows right out front. 4-pack, can I get all 4? How about we do 1, 2, 3. Reload the shotgun, find the 4th one, and miss it. We missed the 4th one. We had a bolt in our hand backwards. Didn't lead it properly. But hey, it might swing around because we got its 3 friends. Oh yeah, I better be careful here. I'm gonna have too many birds to carry out of this field. Three specks. Canadas are landing out at 100 yards. Specks. Didn't care who I was. There's another wave from the lake. Mallards. Oh, here come those 2 Snows. 2 Snows coming up the pipe. Hi, boys. There we go. Hurt my ears a little bit. My earplug popped out. Ouch. I am just having way too much fun here. Well, we have gotten an absolute crazy dark goose show here and a pretty awesome snow goose hunt so far. I think I must have a dozen or so down. Big feeds started across the road. They started landing up on the other end of the field here on me. But man, the darks are all over us, the snows. Everything's kind of flaring up. I'm not hitting too well, but when they flare up, they just drift over me and I've been cracking into them. Man, it's so fun. Oh, there's some snow geese. Are these white birds? These are white birds. Yeah, let's triple, why don't we? Yeah, let's triple, why don't we? Wow, that flock came in like none other. That was the nicest flock of the day. And we capitalized, baby. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, swans. Look at this. Look at that. Holy moly. Are you guys seeing this? Dude, I've never finished a flock of swans. Oh, those things are huge. Buzz in the tower. Oh, here come the swans again. Wow. These ones look pretty good. Yeah, they sure do. We got one. Whew. All right, there's our last one. Number 20. Man, I love this shotgun. I've had this gun probably, I think this is the 9th or 10th year with this shotgun. It's a Franke Affinity 3. It's a synthetic stock, and it was just taped with this marsh camo tape. But yeah, this gun has never failed me. I've had a few clicks with it, but that was ammo problems, not the gun problem. We got a lot of really nice snow geese this morning. No leg bands. And I'm not 100% sure what a juvie from last year would look like after a year. Or after, well, it's only been I guess a year since they've been born. Because I think every one of these are adults. There's nothing gray on them. That is the beauty of a pile right there. I'll just talk you through it real quick here. Let's get these earplugs out so I can actually hear myself. Most of the birds, like, they saw my blind. I didn't really have time this morning to stubble on my blind real well. So they came in and like, we're coming, and they flared up in front of me. But all the flocks, when they flared up, they were right above me. I could bang, bang, bang. I could hit my shots. Tripled a couple times. A couple times they were a little bit out there and missed some shots. But what an awesome spring snow goose hunt. This was my first one ever, like I said before. And man, it did not disappoint. All right, I got some birds to clean here, so I better get moving. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. We will see you guys on the next one.